Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Idioms Explained podcast. This is Season 2, Episode 11. I'm Emily, and you're listening to Learn English by English.
And I'm Alex. Always a pleasure to be here. Emily, before we talk about putting in that extra effort today, let's solve the What's Alex's Idiom challenge from S2E11.
An excellent idea. Last episode, Alex, you described a scenario where you and a colleague efficiently achieved two goals with one single effort while working on a project.
I did. And we asked our listeners which idiom from Season 1 best described that efficient action. The correct idiom was...
To kill two birds with one stone. To kill two birds with one stone, meaning to accomplish two different things at the same time with a single effort. Well done to everyone who got that. You can revisit that idiom in Episode 9 of Season 1.
Great job, multitaskers. Now, Emily, what idiom are we exploring today that's all about exceptional effort and dedication?
Today, Alex, we're looking at a very positive and inspiring idiom, to go the extra mile.
To go the extra mile. I love this one. It means to make a special effort to do more than what is expected or required of you, to achieve something or to help someone, right?
Exactly. It's about exceeding expectations and showing a willingness to put in additional work or effort. For example, the hotel staff really went the extra mile to make our stay comfortable, providing us with complimentary upgrades and personalized service.
That sounds like excellent customer service. So it implies a level of dedication beyond the standard. What's the origin of this phrase, Emily?
This idiom has biblical origins, Alex. It comes from the Sermon on the Mount in the New Testament, where Jesus advises his followers, whoever compels you to go 1 mile, go with him too. In those times, Roman soldiers could legally compel civilians to carry their equipment for 1 mile. Going a second mile was a voluntary act of service or goodwill, beyond what was legally required.
That's a very powerful origin story. So it's about choosing to do more out of generosity or commitment, not because you're forced to. For instance, my teacher went the extra mile by offering extra tutoring sessions to students who were struggling.
Precisely. It often highlights someone's strong work ethic, kindness, or commitment to quality. She always goes the extra mile for her clients, ensuring every detail is perfect.
It's a quality that's highly valued in many professions and personal relationships. It shows you care and are willing to make an additional effort for a better outcome or to support others.
Absolutely. It's about initiative and not just doing the bare minimum. It's about striving for excellence or showing exceptional care. So, to summarize for our listeners, to go the extra mile means to do more than is expected of you.
A wonderful explanation for a truly admirable idiom, Emily. It encourages us all to strive a little harder. And now, are our listeners ready to go the extra mile in their thinking for today's What's Alex's Idiom challenge from Season 1?
I'm sure they are ready to give it their best shot. What's the scenario for us today, Alex?
All right, here's today's challenge. My friend started a new diet and exercise plan. At first, he was very enthusiastic, but after a few weeks, he found it really difficult to stick to. He told me he was thinking of giving up. Which idiom from Season 1 best describes what my friend was finding hard to do regarding his new plan?
Starting something new can be tough to maintain. Listeners, what do you think? Which Season 1 idiom describes finding it hard to endure or continue with something difficult? Post your answers in the comments.
We look forward to seeing your dedicated guesses. And that's our time for today.
Thanks for joining us for Season 2, Episode 11 of Idioms Explained podcast. Please subscribe to Learn English by English and hit that notification bell. We always try to go the extra mile for our listeners.
We do indeed. Your support means a lot. Until next time, everyone, keep learning and maybe even go that extra mile today.
Bye for now.